Let's be honest. Creating high-converting video ads and UGC user-generated content is exhausting. You have to hire actors, rent expensive studio space, write scripts, and spend days editing. By the time your ADD is ready, you've blown your entire marketing budget. But what if I told you that you could generate professional studio-quality ads with realistic AI avatars in just one click? Welcome back to AMA AI Tech, your go-to hub for mastering the best AI tools on the market to supercharge your workflow. Today, I am blowing the lid off a game-changing platform called Nextify.ai. If you do affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or run any kind of online business, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Before we dive into the tutorial, I have an exclusive deal for the AMA AI Tech family. If you use my special link in the description below, new users get 20 free credits upon registration, plus another 20 free credits immediately after starting your first generation task. That is 40 credits completely free to test this out yourself. Go click the link, get your account ready, and let's jump right into the dashboard. Alright, here we are inside the Nextify.ai dashboard. As you can see, the interface is incredibly clean and intuitive. No cluttered menus, no steep learning curves. Right at the top, you can track your credits. You'll notice I have 300 credits loaded up and ready to go. The platform is divided into a few core powerhouse features: create, video ad, listing images, viral cloning, and avatar video. What makes Nextify completely different from other AI generators is its focus on marketing creatives. It doesn't just make pretty pictures, it builds high-converting frameworks. It combines a Waza-stid UGC actors, BRL footage, product images, and professional voiceovers into one seamless workflow. Let's put it to the test with our very first campaign. Let's go ahead and click on Create Video Ad. Imagine we are selling a sleek, smart fitness watch. I don't need a complex prompt. I'm just going to drop in my basic product details and key selling points right here. Tracks heart rate, 7-day battery life, waterproof, and stylish. Add sample product images and hit generate.
Smart fitness watch. Tracks heart rate, 7-day battery life, waterproof, and stylishly.
Look at this quality. The BRL matches the product perfectly, and it automatically added engaging captions. What used to take a production team a whole week, Nextify just did in about 30 seconds. And here is a quick pro tip for your video production workflow. I like to export this Nextify ad and drop it straight into CapCut to add my own custom sound effects, trending background music, and final brand logos. The integration is seamless, giving you a top-tier ad ready for TikTok or YouTube Shorts in minutes. Now, I want to show you my absolute favorite feature: viral cloning. Have you ever seen a competitor's ad go insanely viral and wished you could replicate that exact style and energy? Nextify allows you to do exactly that, legally and creatively. You simply upload your reference asset, a viral video you found on social media. Nextify's AI analyzes the pacing, the actions, and the hook framework. Then, you tell it to apply your product details to that exact framework. It essentially clones the DNA of a viral ad and creates a brand new, unique UGC video specifically for your brand. This takes all the guesswork out of your marketing strategy. You are modeling what already works. Finally, let's look at the avatar video tool. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or need a spokesperson for your website, this is gold. You can type in your script, and the AI will generate a handheld, natural-looking video with perfect lip sync. The micro expressions, the head movements, it's incredibly convincing. No more robotic stiff AI avatars. From 2023. We are in 2026, and Nextify is leading the pack. Nextify.ai is an absolute must-have in your creator toolkit. It saves time, slashes production costs, and scales your content output to the moon. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive AMA AI tech offer. Click the first link in the description and in the pinned comment below right now. Remember, you get 20 free credits when you register, and Nextify will give you another 20 free credits the moment you start your first generation task. If you found this tutorial valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI breakthroughs. Leave a comment below, letting me know which Nextify feature you are most excited to try. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.